Hello friends, today first we learn conditions for solutions of simultaneous equations have. First condition, in simultaneous equations have unique solutions if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. That is, if we plot a graph of simultaneous equations, if they are intersect each other at a point, therefore solution of this simultaneous equations is a unique solution. Here condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now second, there are infinitely many solutions if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. That is, if we plot a graph of simultaneous equations, they are overlap each other. That is, these two graphs, these two lines have infinitely many solutions, that is infinitely many common points. Therefore condition is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. And third, no solutions if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Now if we plot a graph of two simultaneous equations, they are parallel to each other, that is, they have no common point. Therefore the condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Now we will see last point of this chapter, that is application of simultaneous equations. Now we can solve this type of equations by, there are three steps. First step, consider the given quantity, value of given quantity as variables x, y and so on. Second step, by given conditions form simultaneous equations. And third step is solve these simultaneous equations and find the value of variables x and y. Now we have to solve this type of examples, that is practice set 1.5. First example, two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Now here we have to find these two numbers. Therefore first we consider these numbers are, let the numbers be x and y, and x is greater than y. First we consider the required numbers x and y we have given, and also consider x is greater than y. Then by first condition, therefore by first condition now we have given first condition, two numbers differ by 3, that is greater number minus smaller number is equal to 3. Here greater number is x, therefore x minus smaller number is y is equal to 3. This is equation number 1. And by second condition, now here second condition is the sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Here smaller number is y, therefore the sum of twice the smaller number is y, therefore twice the smaller number is 2y, plus its sum with thrice the greater number is x, its thrice, that is 3 times 3x is equal to 19. Now we can write this equation as 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. This is number 2. Now write down equations 1 and 2. X minus y is equal to 3. This is equation number 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve these equations by elimination of coefficients, elimination of variables. Now multiplying equation 1 by any coefficient of this variable y 2, and equation 2 by coefficient of variable y is 1. Now multiplying by 2 we get 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. This is equation number 3. And multiplying by 1 we get 3x plus 2y is equal to 19, equation number 4. Now here these coefficients are equal, their signs also different. Therefore taking addition, minus 2y plus 2y get cancelled. 2 plus 3, 5x is equal to 19 plus 6, 25. Therefore x is equal to 25 upon 5, dividing by 5. Therefore value of x is equal to 5. We get value of first variable x. Now put this value of x in equation. We will now put this value of x in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes value of x is 5. 5 minus y is equal to 3. Therefore minus y is equal to 3 plus 5 becomes minus 5. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Here minus minus get cancelled. Value of y is 2. Hence we get values of x and y. Therefore write down answer. Therefore in this equation we have to find the numbers. Therefore the required numbers are, the numbers are x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. That is 5 and 2. Now we will see whether this is correct or not. We have given first condition. First condition is the difference between these two numbers is 3. Therefore 5 minus 2 is 3. We will get correct answer. Therefore this is correct. Now we will see second example. Second example is the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. If 6 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Find the fraction. Now we have to find the fraction. Now first we consider, let the numerator of fraction be x. The numerator of fraction bx and its denominator be y. Therefore the required fraction is numerator is x, denominator is y, that is x upon y. Now by first condition, y is equal to 2x plus 4. We can write this as, therefore 2x plus y becomes minus y is equal to plus 4 becomes minus 4. This is equation number 1. And by second condition, now we have given second condition is, if 6 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. If 6 is subtracted from numerator, we get x minus 6. From denominator, we get y minus 6. Therefore 6 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. The denominator becomes, that is, denominator is y, therefore y minus 6 is equal to, the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator, that is, denominator y minus 6 is equal to 12 times the numerator, that is x minus 6. Now we have to solve this equation. Y minus 6 is equal to, multiplying by 12x minus 12 into 6, 72. Now we can write this as plus 12x. Write down to the right hand side. Plus 12x plus y becomes minus y. x plus y becomes minus y is equal to minus 6 minus 72 becomes plus 72. We will get 12x minus y is equal to plus 66. This is equation number 2. Now write down equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4, equation number 1. And equation 2 is 12x minus y is equal to 66. This is equation number 2. Now in this equation, here coefficients are equal, their signs also equal. Therefore taking subtraction, minus becomes plus minus. Here minus y plus y get cancelled. Minus 12x plus 2x, that is minus 10x, is equal to minus 66 minus 4 minus 70. Therefore x is equal to minus 70 divided by minus 10. 0 get cancelled, minus get cancelled. Therefore value of x is 7. Now put this value of x in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes now value of x is 7. 2 into 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. Therefore 2 into 7 is 14 minus y is equal to minus 4. Therefore minus y is equal to minus 4 plus 14 becomes minus 14. Therefore value of y is minus y is equal to minus 18. Minus get cancelled. Therefore value of y is 18. Therefore we get value of x and y. Therefore the required fraction is x upon y is 7 upon 18. Now we will see whether it is correct or not. We have given first condition. Denominator becomes twice numerator more than twice numerator. That is 18 equal to 2 into 7 14 plus 4 18. 18 equal to 18. Therefore this is correct. Now third example is, out of 1900 kilometer, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 70 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. Now here first we consider, let Vishal traveled x kilometer. Vishal traveled x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by plane, y kilometer by aeroplane. Therefore, by first condition, by first condition. If we shall travel, suppose we shall travel from city A city to B. Suppose he traveled X kilometer by bus and Y kilometer by aeroplane. Therefore, total distance between these two cities is 1900 kilometer. Therefore, by first condition we have given out of 1900 kilometer, that is he traveled 1900 kilometer, that is distance between these two cities x plus y is equal to. Therefore, by first condition we get x plus y is equal to 1900. This is number 1. And by second condition, now time taken by Vishal, while traveling by bus, equal to. Now here time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus, we know formula, time is equal to distance upon speed. Here distance traveling by bus is x kilometer and average speed of bus is 60 kilometer. Therefore x upon 60 hours. And time taken by Vishal while traveling by aeroplane is equal to. Now distance is y divided by average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour, that is hour. Therefore, now we have given time taken to complete this 5 hours. Therefore, x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5. Now we have to solve this equation. Now taking cross multiplication or LCM of this is 60 into 700. Dividing by 60 get cancelled, 700x plus 700 get cancelled, 60y is equal to 5. Therefore 700x plus 60y is equal to 5 into 60 into 700. Now here common factor is 20. Therefore dividing by 20. 700 divided by 20x plus 60 divided by 20y is equal to 5 into 60 into 700 divided by 20. Here 1 0 get cancelled, dividing by 2, 35 dividing by 23. Here dividing by 23. Now we get equation 35x plus 3y is equal to 5 into 3 15, 15 into 7 or 15 0 0 105. This is equation number 2. Now write down equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 is x plus y. Now x plus y is equal to 1900. Equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500. This is number 2. Now here multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. Now multiplying each term by 3, we get 3x plus 3y is equal to 19 into 3 5700. Multiplying by 1, 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500. This is number 3. Number 4. Now here coefficients are equal, sign also equal, therefore taking subtraction. Plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled, minus 32x is equal to minus, now 10,500 minus 5,700, 10,500 minus 5,700, 008 4, 4,800. Therefore x is equal to minus 4,800 divided by minus 32. Here minus minus get cancelled, dividing by 16. 300, dividing by 2, 150. Therefore value of x is equal to 150. And we consider that x is the distance travelled by Vishal by bus. Therefore Vishal travelled 150 kilometer by bus. Thank you.